Myself, Dr. Atish Sardar. I am HOD and Assistant Professor in Jogesh Chandra Chaudhary College, Department of Botany. Where? It is on Prince Anwar Road.
Okay. Myself, Shakti Mandal, Assistant Professor of Geography, Sripad Singh College, Jiaganj, Murshidabad.
Hi, I'm Ankita Chakravarti. I am an Assistant Professor of Sociology at NUJS, National University of Juridical Science.
Myself, Dr. Abhay Shankar Sahu, Associate Professor, Department of Geography, University of Kollam.
Myself, Ruxana from Geography Department, Assistant Professor at University.
Myself, Abhijit Sarkar. I am from Department of Botany, University of Gurgaon.
Myself, Ashok Kumar Mondol, Associate Professor, Maulana Azad College, and the department, Head of the Department of History, Computer History.
Hello everyone, I am Tiyasha Purohit. I study in PG1 in Jadavpur University, Department of Sociology.
I'm Shomali Paul, PG1, Department of Sociology from Jadavpur University. I'm Dr. Momita Roy, Nagarshara College, Department of Chemistry.
Shadi Boshak, Department of History, Mohishadal Raj College.
Preeti Das, UG3, Department of Civil Engineering, Jadavpur.
Good morning all, I am Shunipa Mondal from Jadavpur University, Department of Geological Sciences, Associate Professor.
Good morning everyone, I am Shruti Sen. I am working as an Assistant Professor in Heritage Institute of Technology, Civil Engineering Department. Simultaneously, I am the PhD Scholar of Civil Engineering Department, Jadavpur University.
Good morning to all. I am MP Sangappa. I teach at National University of Juridical Science. Especially the environmental law is my specialization.
Good morning everybody. Myself Dr. Indrajit Ghosh. I am Assistant Professor in the Department of Physical and Material Science, College of Engineering and Management, Kollam.
Myself Sudipto Haldar, PhD Research Scholar, School of Water Resources Engineering, Jadavpur University.
Good morning all, myself Johita Goldar, PhD Research Scholar, Civil Engineering Department, Jadavpur University.
Good morning all, myself Dr. Joydev Das, Librarian, Vivekananda Vishal Mahavidyalaya, Chaitanya Pahaldia, Purva Medinipur, and I was the participant of Disaster Management RC under Vidyasagar University. My guide is
Namaskar, myself is Gopinath Bhandari. I have two heads, Associate Professor of Department of Civil Engineering, Jadavpur University, and Coordinator of Center for Disaster Management, which I am organizing this course.
Good morning, myself Hirak. I teach in a school and I love to work for Sundarban and island of this place.
Good morning, this is Dr. Mohammad Abdul Kadir. I came from Bangladesh. I am a professor of geography in Jagannath University in Dhaka and also head of the department.
So let us appreciate that the kind of intentional participants who are.
Good
morning everyone. Myself Sartaj Mamun, UG4 student, Civil Engineering, Jadavpur University.
Good morning all, I am Santa Pal. I am a UG3 student in Jadavpur University, Civil Engineering Department. Good morning all, myself Anamitra Bhattu, UG3 student, Department of Civil Engineering, Jadavpur.
Come forward.
So you have completed your exam, semester exam. Now relax.
Good morning everyone, I am Arindam Mandal from Civil Engineering Department, 4th year.
Good morning everyone, myself Shobhik Pramanik from UG3, Department of Civil Engineering and from Jadavpur University. Good morning everyone, I am Arnab Samanta from Civil Agency, Civil Engineering Department, Jadavpur University.
Great.
Good morning, myself Swastika Acharya from Department of Civil Engineering, Jadavpur University.
Good morning everyone, myself Shayana Shah. I am from Civil Engineering Department, UG3, Jadavpur University.
Good morning, I am Sudhanu Shatra from UG3 Jadavpur University, Civil Engineering.
Satyajit Poddar, UG3, Civil Department, Jadavpur.
Good morning, Vidilas, Civil Engineering, UG3, Jadavpur University.
Good morning, my name is Kushan Master. I am from Jadavpur University, Civil Engineering, UG3.
Hello, everyone. My name is Cindy Sarajan. I am from Jadavpur University, Civil Engineering.
Good morning everyone, I am Kamishri Sen. I am a UG 4th year student, Civil Engineering Department from Jadavpur University.
Shobhita Banerjee, Registered Scholar from Department of Geography, working under SAS.
Myself Shobhan Shabika, PhD research scholar, School of Water Resources Engineering, Jadavpur.
louder.
I am Shipurna Kanjilal, research scholar working under the guidance of Dr. Gopinath Bhandari, School of Oceanographic Studies, Jadavpur University.
My name is Shobhik Chatterjee. I am also working under the guidance of Dr. Gopinath Bhandari and working in the Department of Oceanographic Studies at Jadavpur University.
Good morning, all. This is Dr. Chandra Bhatta. I'm working as an assistant professor in civil engineering department in Heritage Institute of Technology.
Good morning, I am Jayant Bhatta, PhD research scholar, Department of Geological Science, Jadavpur University.
Good morning. Myself, Dr. Anupam Ghosh from Department of Geological Sciences, Jadavpur University, and I am currently an associate professor. My specialization is I am a marine micropaleontologist. I study the sediments and what are the protozoans present that helps in the binding of the sediment.
Good morning, I'm from Techno India Salt Lake. I'm an assistant professor in computer science engineering department.
Good morning, everybody. I am Pinaki Roy from Durabur Government College. My specialization is geology.
Okay. I'm Dr. Anirban Das from College of Engineering Management, Medical Science.
পেছনে কেউ বাকি রয়েছে সেটা introduce yourself.
Myself Shweta Chatterjee, PhD research scholar under the School of Water Resources Engineering, Jadavpur University.
Okay. And myself Kartik Chandra Mondal. Okay. From IT department, Jadavpur University. IT department.
Okay.
Anybody else?
Introduction. Introduce yourself.
Introduce yourself.
My name is Ronit Ray. I'm doing PhD in English Language and Literature from Shidukanu University.
Myself Nasir Alam. I'm from Department of Architecture and Town Regional Planning, ISTC.
I am Dr. Ramkrishna Datta, ex-meteorologist, now guest faculty, Department of Atmospheric Science, Calcutta University.
আশিস স্যার কোথায়?
আশিস স্যার ওখানে আছেন।
এই তো স্যার।
Myself Professor Ashish Kumar Pal, Department of Geography and Environment Management, Vidyasagar University.
Professor and Head, Resilient Infrastructure Division, National Institute of Disaster Management. আমি এমএস সিভিল ইঞ্জিনিয়ার, যাদবপুর থেকে আমি মাস্টার্স করেছি, বি কলেজ থেকে বি, আইআইটি কানপুর থেকে ফার্স্ট পিএইচডি, ইবারাকি ইউনিভার্সিটি জাপান থেকে সেকেন্ড পিএইচডি। But now I have become social engineer. I lost my